Okay guys, here we are in the new pad, totally new environment, country living at its best, and we are making up some Spanish ground beef. And it is going to be super delicious, but I'm not sure where everything is, so let me look around, see if I can find some stuff. Be right back. Okay, I did find some stuff, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then in with a pound of medium ground beef. So we'll just go ahead and break this down and stir and fry it until it is fairly well cooked through. And you know, I'm kind of wondering whether the farmer next door would miss one of those beef cattle. Well, no, that wouldn't be very nice. Okay, next up we're going to chop up a red bell pepper. And I have to say, this bell pepper, guys, I got it at the local farm. They have fresh corn. Everything is in season. Absolutely fantastic. Barbecuing every night. Then just go ahead and throw this in over top of that ground beef. And once again, a stirring and frying we will go until that bell pepper becomes a little bit on the soft side. Now you could probably go ahead and add green or yellow too, but I just like the sweetness of the red. Okie dokie, now in with a small chopped onion, 3 large cloves of garlic, and just stir and saute until that onion becomes translucent and that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Mr. Dracula, you're not coming into my new house. And you know, once you get those smells happening in the kitchen, you know something is going on. Season everything up with a few cracks of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. About the same amount of ground black pepper. And something I should have used and couldn't find is some Italian seasoning, so if you have it, throw in a teaspoon or 2 of that. Then a few good squirts of sriracha, I'd say about a teaspoon. A medium-sized can of diced tomatoes or tomatoes, and you want these undrained. Then and only then a 1.5 cups of H2O or water. And last but not least, about another 1.5 cups of egg noodles. Grab up that handy dandy cooking utensil and stir everything together. And I should mention, if you don't have egg noodles, go ahead and use the pasta of your choice. I don't know about you guys, but this is starting to look and smell good already. Of course you can't smell it, we need that smell-o-vision, which I might go ahead and invent in my new shop. Now we're just going to bring this to a boil, reduce the heat and slip a lid on, and let the soft boil away for about 15 or 20 minutes. And you can just relax, look out the window, watch the leaves blow. Oh, I just love my backyard. After about 15 or 20 minutes we are done, and just check this out. And oh my goodness, this smells so good. And it looks absolutely incredible. I can hardly wait to dig in. Wow. Of course, you guessed it, we're gonna go ahead and plate this up. And you know what, guys, this is looking a little bit like, I don't know, goulash. But to me, it is so good. I'm gonna do something really weird here, throw some bacon bits over the top, or you can even use fresh bacon, but you know, it's entirely up to you. A bit of parsley for a pop of freshness and to make it look real pretty like. And there it be, guys, our Spanish style ground beef. Simple, easy, and you know, incredibly delicious. A great midweek meal, and the entire family will just love it. Okay, my favorite time to dig in. This is really good for a few simple ingredients. Absolutely delicious. I mean, it'll take you, what, 20, 25 minutes? Great midweek meal. This is really good. I'm going to have more. A must make, guys. A must make. So good.